Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to public comment on Facebook, full guide. Open the Facebook post you want to comment on and confirm the post is set to public. Tap the comment field, type your message, and avoid sharing private data. Use tags and hashtags when relevant to increase reach. If you want to remove a public comment, use the three dots menu to delete it quickly and confidently. Start by reviewing the post privacy icon to know who can see your comment. If a post is set to public, anyone can view and interact with your comment. Consider tightening your profile privacy if you often comment on broad posts. Remember that resharing or screenshots can extend reach beyond your intent. Regularly audit your activity log to remove comments you no longer want visible. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for reliable comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for long days typing comments or moderating threads. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a pair. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Write clear, concise comments that add value to the conversation and invite replies. Start with a friendly opener, then state your point and include a relevant tag if needed. Avoid sarcasm or ambiguous jokes that might be misread in text form. If you receive negative replies, respond calmly or use the hide/report options. Thoughtful comments boost your presence and lead to better discussions over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.